So Bismillah karte hain. All right, everybody. So today we are going to proceed with the numbers family topical past paper questions. These questions are mixed. We will try to solve each and every question without the help of calculator. Okay. We will do a lot of workings in order to see that where we stand in workings. Okay. So if I'm allowed to use the calculator, but still I will not use the calculator. If I needed help, so all of you can use the calculator and tell me what are the answers. Okay. So let's proceed with question number one. Listen to me, everybody. Question number one, it belongs to percentages. So it says that write 26 gram as a percentage of 208 grams. So you need to understand that the which kind of topic is this. So Muid, you can see that it is a percentage topic, and in percentage topic we studied this, that percentage is part divided by total multiplied by 100. So you can see that examiner is saying write 226 gram as a percentage for a percentage of 200 grams. Examiner can cross check you as well that Muid, that it would be written that it is 26 gram and it can be a kg. So remember that whenever you're converting something into percentage, so units must be same. Okay. So 26 divided by 208 multiply by 100. That would be the technique in order to find out that what is in the decimal. All of you can see that this 26 and 28 is its even number. I can use table 2 for the sake of cutting. So you can see one thing that I can cut 26 and 208 into half. So it would be 13 divided by 104 times 100. So you can see one thing that I can cancel 104 and 100 as well. ठीक है, कोशिश करेंगे कि कैलकुलेटर बिल्कुल आखिर में जाके इस्तेमाल किया जाए ताकि कटिंग के कॉन्सेप्ट भी जो है वो क्लियर हो जाए. So I can half 104 and 100. So which would be
सर
13.
इसको 4 से भी डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, 104 और
बिल्कुल कर
100 को।
सकते हैं. मैं जरा थोड़ा सा बेसिक जा रहा हूँ.
अच्छा
ठीक है.
ठीक है, सॉरी।
ठीक है. सो हाफ कर दिया. नाउ आई कैन कैंसिल 52 एंड 50 इन टेबल 2 एज वेल. ठीक है. आई एम डूइंग हाफ ऑफ टेक्निक इन ऑर्डर कि ताकि किसी को अगर समझ ना आए तो वो एटलीस्ट सही तरीके से समझ सके. ठीक है. So it would be 13. Half of 52 is 26 and half of 50 is 25. Now, beta, you know that 13 and 26 is what? They are multiples. So I can cancel table 13 and 26. So 13 ones are 13 and 13 twos are 26. So it is 1 over 2 multiplied by 25. So 25 divided by 2 is 12.5.
12.5।
See, beta, this question was a piece of cake if you had a calculator, but I tried to solve the question without the help of calculator in order to give you that gut so that you can easily simplify the questions. You got it? All right. So those who are late, beta, please pay attention. We are solving the past paper questions on the topic numbers today. So write down the cube number that is greater than 50 but less than 100. I told you in syllabus it is written that you have to memorize all the cube numbers till 10. So 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is 729, 10 cube is 1000. So you can see that, but I have memorized that and I told all of you to memorize it right that because it is important for all of you. So you can see one thing that I'm writing this just for the sake of clear identification that this is important and it will come in Cambridge exam as well. So you can see one thing, Muid, that examiner is saying write down a cube number that is greater than 50 but less than 100. So better greater than 50 and less than
4 cube।
100, we have a cube number which is 64. Can you see that? Mohit, can you see that? So the answer is 64 is a cube number which is greater than 50 and less than 100. Understood? Ali, Afreen, Maya, Muid, Saim, Zedan.
Yes, sir.
All right, proceeding to question number 3. Divide 200 in the ratio 7 ratio 3. So better now listen to me. 7 ratio 3, it means that there are total 7 plus 3, 10 pieces. Okay. So the first technique you can do is that you can divide 200 by 10. So answer is 20. Okay. So 7 share 1, that would be share 1. Share 1 is 7 pieces of 20, which would be 140. And share 2 would be Ramin three pieces of 20, which would be 60. So 200 is distributed into 140 and 60. Okay, 2 marks.
एक और भी तरीका है ना?
वही पार्ट डिवाइड बाय टोटल, दैट इज आल्सो एक्सेप्टेबल मेथोडोलॉजी, आप उससे भी कर सकते हैं जो परसेंटेज वाला मेथड है, ठीक है। अनदर टेक्निक इज, अगर आपको ये टेक्निक भी आती है दैट इज आल्सो फाइन, दिस इज अनदर मेथड। तो मैं यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ ताकि अगर आप में से किसी को वो आता है तो वो भी समझे, वो भी ठीक है। वो मेथड भी एक्सेप्टेबल है, लेकिन जो आपको इजी लगे यू कैन प्रोसीड विद दैट। शेयर नंबर 1 is 7 out of 20 multiply with 200, so you can see that 20 and this would be 10, so 7 times ये क्या हुआ, okay sorry my bad, it is 10 not 20, ये मैंने गलती लिखी। It's 7 shares out of 10 multiply by 200. So I can cancel this 0 with this 0. So offering 7 times 20 is 140. And the second share is 3 by 10 of 200. I can cancel 0 with 0. 3 times 20 is 60. This is another method. The choice is yours if you want to proceed anyway. That is your choice. Okay. Walaikum assalam. Okay. Muida, I hope you are writing as well. Okay. All of you, you should write along with me and practice with me. All right. So now, Vadan, the question is 300 meter per minute convert into kilometer per hour. Now, Vadan, I can write that it is 300 meter per minute means 1 minute. Agree or not? Yes or
बिल्कुल
no?
सर,
I
ठीक है सर।
want to convert this 300 meters into kilometers. So, beta, you know this already, that in order to convert kilometer into meter, we multiply with 1000. So now we will divide by 1000. So it would be 300 divided by 1000. So this answer would be in kilometer. And 1 meter has how many hours? So 1 meter has divided by 60 hours. Agree? So that is what your answer would be. So you can use the calculator for that. Now, why there is a reason, because we are not allowed to use the calculator in this question. Technically, this question is from the calculator version exam, and we will try our level best that how to do it. I hope all of you got the idea that why I multiplied with 1000 and why I divided by 60. The reason is, bacha, you need to understand this basic mathematical unit conversions, and this is mostly in paper. It says that 1 kilometer it is equals to 1000 meters. Okay, whenever you are converting from larger unit to smaller, you will multiply the scale, and whenever you are converting the smaller unit to larger one, you will divide the scale. Okay, now you can see, Abdullah, that it is meter here. From meter I am going to kilometer, so that is the reason I divided 300 with 1000. I hope this is clear to you. Agree? And minute is the smaller unit, so I divided by 60 because I wanted to convert this into hours. Understood, everybody?
यस यस सर, क्लियर।
Okay, now proceeding with a step here. If, for example, this is not in the calculator version paper, so it would be 300 divided by 1000, divide symbol, and it is 1 divided by 60. So, Arum, we know that this is the same thing. Do you agree with me or not? This is
Yes,
another way of writing the top step. So, beta, we know that we can cancel these two zeros. So, it would be 3 by 10 multiply by, don't flip the right side, 60 by 1. Agree? So now we know this, that I can cancel around 0 and 0. So 6 threes are 18. So the answer is 18 kilometer per hour. Any problem?
नो सर,
Any problem, bacha?
नो सर।
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. Proceeding with question number 5. This is must question in examination, and this is coming in your paper as well, in your school exams, and even in your CIE's exam as well. Write the recurring decimal 0.27 as a fraction. Please do follow my steps. मैंने lesson पढ़ाया हुआ है, YouTube पे upload भी है. Step 1. याद है किसी को?
जी सर, ये 27 डिवाइड बाय 99।
हाँ, ये शॉर्टकट पे होता है, लेकिन हम स्टेप ले लेंगे थोड़ा सा. गुड जॉब. 27 by 99 is the right answer. But let x is equals to 0.2727 as two digits are repeating. Now, multiply by what? याद है किसी को? Multiply by what?
सर ये वाला तरीका तो नहीं याद।
ठीक है, तो अभी ये याद कर लें. ठीक
ठीक है
है.
सर।
So
वो
first of
दूसरा
all,
वाला है तो
let x is equals to 0.2727. The reason is, Arom, that 27 and 27 is repeating. Agree? So I intentionally wrote 27272 times. You can write 6 times as well. Okay, आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो. Now I'm multiplying with 100 because two digits are repeating. Because two digits are repeating. Muid, Omar. So it would be 100x equals 27.272727. It will repeat. Now, Laluna, I am going to write subtract x from 100x. So write x below that. So it would be 0.272727. So 100 minus x is 99x, Vadan. And this is cancelled, this is cancelled, this is cancelled, because 7 minus 7 is 0 0 0. So 27 minus 0 is 27. And Vadan, that is the reason it is 27 by 99. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So now you got the idea that how to convert this in a
सर
stepwise. Yeah, bacha.
सर ये जरा फिर समझाइए सर समझ में
बेटा ये आपको रिकॉर्डिंग देखनी पड़ेगी, ये बहुत डिटेल लेक्चर है, ठीक है.
जी
So 27 divided by 9 in 99 is the simplified form of the question. No, it is not. It is not written here, Harun, ke you are bound to write the simplified form. You can do cutting here as well. It can cut in the table 3. So table 9 में भी होता है, taken table 3 is very feasible. So 3
सर
times
लेकिन यहाँ पर तो नहीं लिखा हुआ था, फिर अगर हम ये
नहीं
भी लिख.
नहीं लिखा हुआ तो हम फिर भी कर लेते हैं, ठीक है. अगर ना लिखा हो तो दिस इज द राइट आंसर. ओके. If it is
ठीक
written
है
that
सर.
simplifies, so then you will do the cutting, and it cutting is possible in table 9. That 9 times 3 is 27, and 9 times 11 is this thing. So if you check in the calculator, that 3 by 11 is the answer, and 3 by 11 will give you 0.272727 repeating. Understood everybody or not?
Yes,
All
sir.
right.
यस
All
सर.
right. So, Yamna, you can see that question number 6. It says that Ila's height is 175 centimeter, correct to the nearest 5 centimeters. So, this is limit accuracy, limits to accuracy, upper bound, lower bound.
So 5
Okay.
divided by 2.
Very good. But look at this thing, beta. This is centimeter, this is centimeter. Now that's fine because same units. Okay. So 5 centimeter divided by 2 is 2.5 centimeter, La Luna. So write down the upper bound of the length height. So 175 plus error, which is 2.5. So that would be 177.5. And for lower bound, we minus it. That is not the requirement of the question, but still I'm doing it 172.5. But we are bound to write down the upper bound for the Ela's height. So write the answer 177.5. I hope it's clear, everybody. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All right, proceeding. Question number 7. Mohit, you can see that it's a temperature related question. So remember that these questions, they come under the head of directed numbers. Okay, numbers which gives us directions. Okay, these are directed numbers. At noon, the temperature in Masiru was 21 degrees centigrade. At midnight, the temperature had fallen. Fallen means minus. Agree or not, Muid? So mid noon temperature is 21. At midnight, the temperature is fallen by 26 degree. So 21 minus 26 is negative 5 degrees centigrade. Work out the temperature at midnight, which is negative 5 degrees centigrade. Degree centigrade is already written, so I just wrote minus 5. I hope it's clear, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now question number 8 is on power and roots. So please pay attention. Power and roots, the concept said that it is fourth root. So beta, we know that the value of this is 1 over 2, but if 4 is written outside, so the value is 1 over 4. Do you copy? Everybody? Everybody? So
जी सर.
I can replace fourth root with the value 1 over 4. Agree or not? Now, beta, try to understand one thing. This is 39 power 1 over 16, or it is a fraction. What do you think?
सर पावर होगा.
Power,
मुझे
sir.
आई थिंक दिस इज पावर. ये जरा थोड़ा सा फॉर्मेटिंग में शायद थोड़ा सा एरर है. सो लेट मी री राइट द क्वेश्चन. ठीक है. सो लेट मी एडजस्ट द क्वेश्चन क्योंकि ये गलत लिखा है थोड़ा सा. ये 39 पावर 16 है. लेट मी री राइट द क्वेश्चन. सो मीशा, this is fourth root of 39 power 1 over 16. Okay. So beta, fourth root means power 1 over 1/4 like that. Understood? ठीक है? और बेटा जरा आप लोग एक काम कर सकते हैं जरा प्लीज, कैन यू प्लीज इसको मिक्स फ्रैक्शन से भी जरा सॉल्व करना चाह रहा हूं मैं, क्योंकि बहुत रेयर चांस है कि बहुत बड़ा नंबर है ये. सो पावर मल्टीप्लाई विद पावर.
सर ये तो ऐसा क्वेश्चन नहीं है सर, ये तो मिक्स फ्रैक्शन लिखा हुआ है.
तो अभी जरा चेक करते हैं ना कि हमारे पास क्या आता है. 16 × 4 is 64. क्या आ रहा है?
नहीं सर, ये क्वेश्चन मैंने किया है पास्ट पेपर में सर, ये मिक्स फ्रैक्शन है.
ये मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में है.
जी जी सर, ये मिक्स फ्रैक्शन है. ये
चलें जी,
और इतना बड़ा पावर पॉसिबल भी नहीं है सर.
चलें मिक्स फ्रैक्शन से करते हैं इसको. सो मिक्स फ्रैक्शन के लिए बेटा मैंने आपको रूल सिखाया था, ठीक है? मिक्स फ्रैक्शन के लिए रूल सिखाया था. यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस नंबर, whatever the result is added here. So beta, this is 16. 16 times 39 is what, Vadan? Can you please do it for me?
ओके सर.
16 times 39, Ramin?
624.
624
624
सर.
plus 1 is 625. Agree?
यस सर.
Okay. Whole power 1/4 because it is fourth root. So let's do it. I have to distribute the power 625 power 1/4 divided by 16 power 1/4. Now, Misha, this is the hint
एक मिनट
that
सर,
this number is, yeah, bacha? Yes.
ये कैलकुलेटर वाले क्वेश्चन है.
बेटा
ओ,
कैलकुलेटर नॉन कैलकुलेटर मिक्स्ड है, ठीक है?
ओके.
Okay, so this fourth is the hint, Misha, that this number is something with power 4 and 625 means, please check 5 power 4 is what? Please check.
Sir, 5.
Sir,
Beta
it's 5
5.
by 4.
Very good. Thank you. It's 5 power 4, which is 625. 1/4 would be outside. And this 4 is also a hint that this is something power 4. So
2
4
power
power
4.
4 power 4 cannot be possible. So 2
2
power 4 is
power
the
4,
answer.
sir.
Yes. So 2 power 4 is the answer. But I can cancel 4 and 4 like that. So I'm left with 5/2. So Mohit, 5/2 is 2.5. That is the answer. Understood or not? Yes or no?
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
All right. So I hope all of you understood this question. Zedan, do you understand this question or not? Zedan,
समझ आ गई.
बेटा समझ आई आपको?
जी जी सर.
अच्छा, Zedan, question 9
जी
पढ़ो
सर.
बेटा.
A journey starts at year 2115 या 2115
नहीं
है.
नहीं, देखें, a journey starts at का मतलब है टाइम है. ये क्या है बेटा?
Time.
Okay. So it is 21:15, which is approximately रात के कितने बजे होते हैं 21:15?
सर वो ये तो 8:15 है आई गेस.
9:15.
9:15. बेटा
9:15.
आई गेस नहीं बोले, प्लीज मैथ करें बेटा, ठीक है?
अच्छा 9:15 है.
It is 9:15 one day and it ends at 4:33 the next day. So we know that, Vadan, that 21:15 to 24:00 day ends. Agree? And then journey
Yes.
finish at 4:33 hours the next day. Agree? 4:33 means
Yes.
early. 4:33 is Umar early morning, right, Muid? Early morning. And 21:15 is night time. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Now we have 4 hours and 33 minutes here, which we are going to add with the difference of 24 minus 21:15. So beta, we know that from 21, beta, please everybody, from 21 to 22, 22 to 23, 23 to 24, this is one complete hour. This is one complete hour, but this is only 45 minutes. Agree everybody or not? So technically, Ramin, it is 1 plus 1, 2, 2 hours and 45 minutes. Agree? And 4 hours and 33 minutes here. If I add both of them, so 5 plus 3 is 8, 4 plus 3 is 7, 2 plus 4 is 6. It is 6 hours and 78 minutes. I am going to take 60 minutes from them so that it is 7 hours and 18
7
minutes.
hours
Any
and 18
problem?
minutes. No
Any
sir.
problem, anyone?
No.
So this is 7 hours and 18 minutes. Arom, do you understand?
Yes,
Arom,
sir.
do you understand? Okay. Look at question number 10, everybody. Question number 10 is use of calculator topic, that you should know that how to use a calculator. And I'm since beginning, I'm telling all of you to get calculators. And if your calculators or they are not according to the Cambridge syllabus, send me the picture and so that I can see their calculator as well. Okay? Wait a minute. So now there's not something to share them. Wait a minute. It is use of calculator. So everybody please calculate this in your calculator and keep your answer. And whenever I punch this in the calculator, and we will tally the answer. Okay? So Zedan, you can see that this is a fraction first. Can you see that, Zedan? That
जी sir.
this is a fraction. So press a fraction button. It is 4.87 minus 2.7 divided by negative 0.2 plus. Mohit, it's a cube root. This button is a square root. If you press this button with a shift, so it would be a cube root. 0.729. Now this is perfectly fine. Once you're done in the calculator, look again. 4.87, yes. Minus 2.7, yes. Minus 0.2, yes. Plus 3 cube root of negative 0.729. Now press equals. So the answer is 31 over 10. Answer is what? 31 over 10. I will write the answer in the form of a decimal or a fraction. Everybody.
Sir, it's 3.1.
Okay, so you are not bound in this question. You are not bound in this question. You can write the answer in a form of a fraction or in decimal because the question is in decimal and fraction as well. Agree? Vadan?
Yes, yes, sir.
So marking C में दोनों आंसर होंगे 31/10 और 3.1. Okay?
जी जी.
Proceeding. Sine P is a prime number where P is greater than 60 and less than 80. It means that inequalities क्या होते हैं बेटा? कि it is 60 and it is 80. Okay. So Sime, I have not colored these circles. Okay. It means that 61 to 79, these values are included. Agree? And it says that P is 2 less than a square number. Okay. So P is 2 less than a square number. Now, for example, everybody, we have square numbers in this range. So we have square number here, which is 64. Agree, Vadan?
Yes, sir.
Vadan?
Yes,
8
yes, yes, sir.
square, 8 square is 64 and 9 square is 81. Agree or not? Which is after 80. Agree?
Yes, sir. तो
Now
सर
this is a,
79 आंसर आएगा.
yeah, 79 is the answer because 81 minus 2 is 79 and 79 is a prime number. So Arsalan, I hope you got the idea.
Yeah.
81 is a square number and 81 minus 2 is 79 because and 79 is a prime number, but in this case 64 was also a square number, but if I subtract 2 from 64 it would be 62, which cannot be prime, right, Vadan? So
Yes.
79 is the value of P. All right, so Afreen, can you please read the question number 12 for me? Hurry up please, we have to finish this worksheet.
At noon, the temperature is 4 Celsius. At midnight, the temperature is -9. Work out the difference in temperature between noon and midnight.
Okay, difference means फर्क, ठीक है, माइनस
Minus,
डिफरेंस मींस फर्क बताना है आपने बेटा. -9 is here and +4 is here. Agree or not, Afreen?
yes, sir.
You need to tell the distance between them. Okay, that is what a difference is. So -9 minus 4 is 13. -13 नहीं लिखना. The difference is 13 Celsius between the outside or inside or noon or midnight temperature. ठीक है बच्चे?
सर हमने माइनस क्यों नहीं लिखा?
मेरा बेटा, हमने टेम्परेचर माइनस में नहीं बताना था, हमने सिर्फ फर्क बताना था. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल, व्हाट इज योर एज यमुना?
16.
माय एज इज 30. एग्री? If I do 30 minus 16. So the answer would be plus 14. Agree? We both got the idea that there is 14 years of age difference between Yamna and Sarbasit. Agree? But if you
Yes.
write 16 minus 30, so the answer would be minus 14. आपने कभी ये किसी को कहते हुए बोला है कि मेरे और सर के दरमियान में minus 14 years का फर्क है? तो that sound doesn't
No,
good.
sir.
Agree? So difference
Yes,
mean
sir.
फर्क को कहते हैं. तो difference यहाँ पे याद रखिए मैथ्स में, इसको बोलते हैं फर्क. ठीक है? Without using calculator. So 3 by 7 minus 2 by 21. Butterfly rule also works and you can compare the denominator as well. आपकी मर्जी. तो आप इस साइड को मैं 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूँ intentionally अरसलान. So it would be 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21. So the denominators are same. ठीक है अरसलान? So denominators are same. 9 minus 2 is 7. So 7 by 21 means 1 over 3. This is the simplest form. So Peter, please do write your answers above the dotted line in your paper. Okay, everybody? Okay, everybody? Khushi.
Yes, yes.
Question number 14. It says that by writing each number correct to one significant figure, work out an estimate for t. So we are not allowed to use the calculator. We have to estimate. Okay. So beta, there are 4 digits here, Khushi. Please pay attention, Saim. There are 4 digits. So we will be using the significant figure rules, okay, and the rounding off rules. So Vadan, the 4 digits are, it's 49.2. The second digit is 9.59. The third digit is 4.085. And the fourth digit is 2.35. Okay, Zidan beta कहता है by writing each number correct to one significant figure. So first significant figure in 49.2 is 4. Here it is 9. Here it is 4. And here it is 2. Now, Ramin, what is the digit after 9? After 4, sorry.
9.
So we have to add 1 to the previous. So 49.2 will become 50. Is this clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the digit after 9, beta? It's 5. Agree? So we have to add 1 to 9. So 9 will become 10. Agree? Now, what is the digit after 4, beta? It's 4. So I have to write, what is, sorry, the digit after 4 is 0, which is after point. So no need to add anything to 4. So it would be 4.0. The digit after 2 is 3, which is less than 5. So ignore. So it would be 2.0. Don't need to add anything. So Maya, t is equals to 49.2 is 50 minus 10 divided by 4 times 2. This is estimated value. 50 minus 10 is 40 and 4 twos are 8. So beta t is equals to 40 divided by 8 is 5. So this is the estimated value of the question. And what will happen, Vadan, if I put this question in the calculator? Agree?
सर फिर तो डिफरेंट आएगा.
देखे तो सही ना क्या आएगा, जरा देखे तो सही ना एक दफा. Agree?
जी 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 सर.
Estimate is closer to the reality. It is not accurate. Agree? 49.2, everybody, minus 9.59 divided by 4.085 multiply with 2.35. 2.35. Laluna, the answer is 4.126. Agree?
Yes, sir.
But this is after too much calculation. Agree?
Yes, sir.
And we got the estimated answer as 5, which is closer to the accurate answer. Agree?
Yes, sir.
And we do use estimation in our daily life as well, while shopping and these things. We also use these things. Okay.
दोनों आंसर सही है.
बेटा वो जो पहले जो कैलकुलेटर में मैंने डाला है ना आफरीन, वो एक्यूरेट आंसर है. एग्जामिनर ने एक्यूरेट नहीं मांगा था. एग्जामिनर कह रहा था कि हर नंबर को फर्स्ट सिग्निफिकेंट पे राउंड करो और फिर एस्टिमेट लगाओ. तो हमने एस्टिमेट लगा के दिया उसको. ठीक है.
सही है.
क्योंकि देखें रामीन और आफरीन, इंस्टेड ऑफ 49.2 मैंने 50 लिखा है. इंस्टेड ऑफ 9.59 मैंने 10 लिखा है. इंस्टेड ऑफ 4.0 मैंने 4 लिखा है. इंस्टेड ऑफ 2.35 मैंने 2 लिखा है. हर नंबर को हमने फर्स्ट सिग्निफिकेंट पे राउंड किया. ठीक है.
सही है, समझ गई.
Okay, good job. Question number 15. The price of the computer is $520 and the price is reduced by 15% in a sale. Work out the sale price. So better remember that. First of all, let's find out percentage reduction. So reduction is how much? Reduction is 15% of 520. So Vadan, 15% of 520. So I can cancel 0 Vadan. Table 5 can be used. I'm not using table 5. Let's do, yeah, table 5. Chalo. 5 threes are 15. 5 twos are 10 times 52. I can cancel 2 and 52 with a half. 2 ones are 2 and that would be 26. 26 times 3. So 3 times 26. So Arom, I'm splitting 26 into 2 or 20 and 6. Any problem?
No, sir.
Just for the sake of understanding that how to do it without calculator. So 3 into 20 plus 6. So 3 into 20 is 60. Sorry, 90. Yeah. 3 into 20 is, yeah, it's 60. Plus 6 threes are 18. So 78 is the $78 is the reduction. So sale price would be actual price was 520 and minus $78. So 520 minus 78 is how much? रफ वर्किंग में माइनस करना किसी को नहीं आता तो आज सीख लो, शर्म की बात है अगर किसी को नहीं आता। और ये हमेशा आपको लोग बोलते थे कि शर्म की बात है, कोई शर्म की बात नहीं, आज सीखो। 10 minus 8 is 2. This is 1. So 1 minus 7 is impossible. So 4. So it would be 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. So it would be 442 is the price of the computer. Any problem, everybody? Vadan? Haji, any problem?
क्लियर है सर, क्लियर है।
Okay. Now examiner is saying increase 42 by 16%. What? Increase 42 by 16%. So let's
सर
42. Yeah, beta.
सर 42 का 16% निकाल के फिर उसको 42 के साथ प्लस कर लेंगे।
Shortcut बताऊं?
बता दे सर।
This is increase question. So 42 multiplied by 116%. Understood? 100% is the actual 42. Agree?
जी जी सर।
This is shortcut. Let me write here. Shortcut. Can you tell me the answer, beta? Answer जरा जल्दी बता दो, कैलकुलेटर में तो आसानी हो जाएगी, जरा जल्दी हो जाएगा।
Sir, 48.72.
48.72. Okay, this is shortcut. And the long cut is Laluna. This is long cut. Sorry. So long cut is find 16% of 42. Tell me what is the answer. 10% of 42 is 4.2. So 1% of 4.2 would be बहुत दूर हो गया 0.42. तो 0.42 चलें जी जरा करके बताएं यार। 0.42 times 6 is 6.72. Check please.
जी सर यही है।
Thank you. So now Vadan, this is the lengthy technique now. So we have to add 6.72 with 42. So it is again 48.72. Understood? So the answer is 48.72 right above the dotted line. ठीक है, आंसर लाइन पे इसके ऊपर लिखना है, नीचे नहीं। All right. So Simon, next question. Alex and Chris share sweets in the ratio 7:3. So Alex is 7 and Chris is 3. Total ratio is 10. Okay. Alex received 20 more sweets than Chris. Let's suppose Chris received X. So Alex is receiving 20 plus X. Any problem, everybody? So Alex part is 7. Work out the number of sweets Chris receives. We have to find out X. So beta X is equals to 3 parts and 20 plus X it is equals to 7 parts. So we do crossfire or straight fire. It's definitely crossfire. 7 times X is equals to 3 times 20 plus X. So 7x is equals to 320s are 60 plus 3x. So it would be 7x minus 3x is equals to 60. Around 4x is equals to 60. X is equals to 60 divided by 4. Use table 2. 30 by 2. Use table 2. The answer is 15. and the value of x is 15, and Chris was x, which is 15. So my answer on the answer line would be 15. Any problem, everybody? Misha, any problem?
No,
Any
sir.
problem? जी बेटा, किसी का कोई इशू है? Fadan,
नहीं सर।
good job.
क्लियर
So,
है सर, क्लियर।
okay, it's a good question. A train of length 105 meter takes 11 seconds to pass completely through a station of the length 225 meters. Calculate the speed of the train in kilometer per hours. So, beta calculator is allowed in this question. First of all,
सर
a
क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो सकती है इसमें?
बेटा आराम से पहले क्वेश्चन तो समझे आपने, पहले एक दफा क्वेश्चन रीड किया. यू हैव टू गिव 3 रीड्स फॉर अ वर्ड प्रॉब्लम. ओके,
अच्छा अच्छा।
3 रीड देने हैं तो वर्ड प्रॉब्लम को. अ ट्रेन ऑफ 105 मीटर्स, ठीक है, 105 मीटर का एक ट्रेन है, लाइक दैट. It takes 11 seconds to completely pass through a station of length 225. For example, this is station and length of the station is 225 meters. ठीक है बेटा वदान, understood?
जी जी।
It takes 11 seconds to completely pass through the station. So Vadan, you can see one thing. Vadan, this is train. Vadan, can you hear me?
यस यस सर, आई कैन हियर यू।
Okay. So beta, you can see one thing. It takes 11 seconds to completely pass whenever the train enters the station, and it takes 11 seconds for the train to completely pass the train station. So the total distance covered by the train is, anyone?
225 meters शायद.
No, distance is
225 minus
225
105.
plus 105, not minus.
अला
It is completely pass.
क्यों सर 105 को प्लस क्यों
ओ
करेंगे?
अच्छा
बेटा
ठीक है।
completely pass. ट्रेन अभी देखो जरा, मैं इसीलिए मैंने ट्रेन को उड़ाया था यहाँ पे, देखा है आपने? देखे जी, the train entered the station, and whenever the train entered the station 11 seconds started, and complete and pass completely. Okay, so pass completely. Okay, understood? Now it's completely done. I mean, समझ आई?
जी जी.
सर
So
सर
train covered, एक मिनट बेटा, train covered 225 meters plus 105 meters. That is the total distance the train covered. Okay, which would
सर
be, एक मिनट
105
मेरा बेटा,
multiplied
it would be 225 plus 105 would be 230, 330 meters. जी मेरा बेटा अब बोले.
सर
Time is
multiplied by 2 नहीं
time
होगा?
is 11 seconds. Time is 11 seconds. Agree? Time is 11 seconds. Agree? Now,
जी सर।
Vadan, the speed is equals to distance divided by time. Agree, everybody? Distance divided by time. Laluna, like question number 1, the distance is in meter. I need to convert the distance into kilometer as well. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Should I write 330 divided by 1000 in the numerator or not?
Yes, sir.
And the denominator would be 11 seconds divided by 60 minutes divided by 60. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because from 1 minute has 60 seconds, and then every hour has 60 minutes as well. Agree, everybody, or not?
Yes, sir.
All of you, any problem? Aline, do you have any problem in this? That why I divided 260s there?
No, sir.
Because I am going from second to minute and minute to hour. Agree? That's the
Yes, sir.
reason 260 is there. So let's do this in the calculator. I told you that this question will be the part of the calculator version paper. So let's do that. So fraction. So 330 Zedan divided by 1000. 1000 divided by 11 divided by 60 divided by 60. So the answer is 108 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से ट्रेन जा रही थी. तभी 11 मिनट के अंदर, 11 सेकंड्स के अंदर उसने 330 मीटर, जो कि 0.33 किलोमीटर बनता है, बहुत कम डिस्टेंस है, ठीक है, वो उसने क्रॉस किया. एनी प्रॉब्लम एनीवन?
Me, sir. Sir,
Yeah, please. Go ahead.
सर 105 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2 नहीं होगा क्योंकि
क्यों
एक
बेटा?
बार तो एंटर हुआ है और फिर
बेटा
दूसरी
इंटर
बार
हुआ है।
एग्जिट हुआ है।
मेरा बेटा मेरी बात सुने प्लीज, ठीक है? अभी मेरी बात सुन रहे हैं कि नहीं?
जी सर।
आप जरा सुने प्लीज। व्हेनेवर द ट्रेन एंटर्ड, ठीक है? ओ ओ एक मिनट, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा मुझे, अब मैं जरा यहाँ पे जरा समझाता हूँ आपको। यहाँ पे जरा ये शेडिंग नजर आ रही है
जी सर।
बेटा? व्हेन ट्रेन एंटर्ड दिस एरिया, एग्री? सो व्हेनेवर द ट्रेन एंटर्ड दिस डिस्टेंस बिकेम सेम, अग्री और नॉट? The train crossed 225 meter, agree? When it was
जी सर।
passing completely outside, whenever the train was 105 meter outside the station, that is where completely through. Understood or not?
अच्छा ठीक है।
Good job.
ओके
All
थैंक
right,
यू सर।
everybody. Question number 90. My pleasure. Joe and Mo share $26. Joe received $5 more than Mo. So Mo is X and Joe is X plus 5. Any problem, anyone?
नो
So they
सर।
want to share $26. So let's do that. Joe and Mo shares $26. Total is $26. Okay? So Joe will receive and Mo will receive. So this is Mo and that is Joe. So Mo is X. So Joe is X plus 5. Agree? So we know this, bacha, that X plus 5 plus X, it is equals to 26. So 2x plus 5 equals 26. 2x is equals to 26 minus 5. Agree? So 26 minus 5 is how much? 11? No, sorry, my bad. 21. So x is equals to 21 divided by 2. So x is equals to what? 10.5? Haji? X is equals to what?
1.5।
10.5. Okay. So now just wait a second, yaar. Wait a second. आप लोग जरा इसको सॉल्व करें। महावीर
मेरा आवाज नहीं आ रही।
Sir, Nakai, 2 minutes.
सर ने लिखा है ना 2 minutes प्लीज।
All right, everybody. Sorry, apologies. Actually, my son was just making fun here. All right. So x is equals to 2. Sorry, my bad. It's 10.5. So x was, according to the question, it was more share. So Joe's share is 5 more than, okay? So Joe's share is 5 more than. So which is plus 5. So x plus 5 is more Joe's share. So 10.5 plus 5 is 15.5. So beta, if you add them, everybody, if you add 10.5 plus 15.5, that would be 26. Exam is asking find the ratio, Joe's money and Mo's money. So beta, ratio means Joe ratio Mo. So beta, Joe received 10.5 and Mo received 15.5. Agree or not? So we need to find out the ratio here, that what is that ratio. So first of all, in order to exercise or remove the decimals, should I multiply with 10 so that the decimals are removed? Everyone, should I multiply with 10 so that decimals are removed or not? जी बेटा, क्या मैं
Yes,
इसको
sir.
इसको मैं 110 से मल्टीप्लाई करूं ताकि डेसिमल्स रिमूव हो जाएं?
Yes, sir.
ये हो जाएगा बेटा 105 रेशो 155. अब 105 रेशियो 155 का मतलब है कि 105 को 155 पे डिवाइड करना है.
और गलत बात है
प्लीज, so can I divide by 5? So 105 divided by 5 is 21 ratio 31. Agree or not, everybody? And 21 ratio 31 is the final answer for Joe and Mo share. So 21 and 31. How I got this, everybody? First, we found 10.5 and 15.5 their shares. Then I multiplied with 10 because I wanted to solve or simplify this decimal. So I multiplied with 10. So it became 105 and 155, Abdullah. 105 or 155, they both are divisible by 5. So that is the reason I divided by 5. So 105 divided by 5 is 21. And 155 divided by 5 is 31. It cannot further simplify it because 31 is a prime number. Agree? Question number 20 is, without using a calculator, let's simplify this first. 8 fours are 32. 8 fours are 32. 32 plus 1 is 33. Minus 6 will come as it is. 6 twos are 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. Now comparing the denominators. So we know this that we want to make the denominators same. If it is in paper 1, you can do the similar multiple, least common multiple. You know this at that 6 and 8, they both have a table 20, a number 24 in their table. Agree? Without calculator, butterfly would be hard, but it is not that much hard, but the way you think is. But you can multiply this lower side with 4, 6 with 4, and 8 with 3 so that the denominator is 24. So 3 times 33 is 99, La Luna, and 8 times 3 is 24. 17 times 4 is a bit difficult, and 6 fours are 24. So 17 times 4 you should do in the rough working. 7 times 4 is 28. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 2 is 68 is the answer. Now denominator is same. So La Luna 99 minus 68. Let's do it in the rough working. We have to use a rough working area in the paper. So 9 minus 8 is 1 and 9 minus 6 is 3. So 31. So 31 by 24 is the final answer. No, definitely not, because we have to give the answer in a form of a mixed number. How to write in a mixed number? Ali, this is important for you. So mixed number has 3 pieces like that. Agree or not? The denominator is right here, which is 24. But we know that 24 table has 48. So it would be 24 times 1 is 24. And then 24 plus what is 31? It is 7. Agree? So your final answer on answer line is 1 into 7 over 24. That is the final answer. And you should write above the line. Agree?
Yes,
Agree,
sir.
everybody? So proceeding with question number 21. Again, upper bound, lower bound. A bag of rice has a mass of 25 kg. Correct to the nearest kilogram. Units are same, kg, kg. So 1 kg, nearest kg means 1 kg divided by 2 would be 0.5 kg. So upper bound would be Mohit 25.5 and lower bound would be minus kar lo 0.5, so that would be 24.5. Calculate the lower bound for the total mass of these 10 bags. So total mass would be equals to 10 multiply with lower bound of 10. Lower bound of 10. So that would be 24.5. So 10 multiplied with 24.5 would be 245 kg. Would be the come se come mass of these 10 bags. Understood, Ramin?
जी sir.
Okay. So Virat has 200 meters of wire. Correct to the nearest meter. So meter is fine, Yamna. So it is meter. This is also meter. That is fine. Units are fine. So 1 meter divided by 2 would be 0.5 meter. So upper bound of 200 would be 200.5 and the lower bound of 200 would be 199.5. He cuts the wire into n pieces of length 3 meters, correct to the nearest 20 centimeter. Now there is a problem. It is meter, it is 20 centimeter. But we need to convert 20 centimeter into meters first. So 20 centimeter. But we know that 1 meter has 100 centimeters. So 20 centimeters will have x meters. So cross multiply. So 220 is equals to 100x divided by 100 on both sides. So La Luna, the answer would be 0.2. Am I right? So that would be 0.2 meters divided by 2. So that would be 0.1 or not? So upper bound of 3 meter would be 3.1 and the lower bound of 3.1 would be 2.9 meters. Agree? Calculate the largest possible value. So he cuts the wire into n pieces. Okay. So first of all, number of pieces. Ramin n. It will be equals to the total wire divided by length of one wire. Agree or not? Length of one wire. Agree or not, Ramin?
जी
Examiner
जी
is
sir.
calculate the largest possible value. It means that we have to find out the larger mean upper bound of this. So I will take upper bound of the total wire but lower bound of the length of one wire. So this is the division formula. So total wire, upper bound of total wire is 200.5 and lower bound of the length is 2.9. So can you please divide this and tell me 200.5 divided by 2.9? What is the answer, beta? बेटा क्या आंसर आ रहा है जरा बता देना. Hurry up.
Sir 59.1379.
59.13.
69.
Okay, my bad. 69 point.
1379.
अच्छा देखिए largest possible value of n. तो 69 is the largest possible value. Okay. Do not write 0.13. Agree? 0.13 cannot be the piece of wire. Okay. So 69 is the answer. Okay. Question number 22. Question 22 says without using a calculator, work out. So convert the mixed fraction first. So this would be 3 and that would be 4. Aisha. 3 twos are 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Aisha. Straight fire, crossfire.
Straight fire.
So it would be 88 divided by 12. I can cut in table 2. 4.
Sir. Sorry.
Table 2 is fine. 44 divided by 6. Can I use table 2 again? 22 by 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It cannot be cancelled, but the examiner is saying give your answer as a mixed fraction. So Aline, we know that mixed fraction it looks like this. Agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? अच्छा आंसर लाइन पे इस तरह की डिजाइन ही करने की जरूरत नहीं है, थोड़ा ऊपर कर लेना. ठीक है, मैंने आंसर लाइन के ऊपर ही कर दिया, ऊपर कर देता हूँ. ठीक है. So 3 is the denominator. Table 3 has 21. So 3 sevens are 21. 21 plus 1 is 22. So 7 into 1 over 3 is the answer. Dotted line के ऊपर आंसर लिखें. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Proceeding without using a calculator. So please remember it is board mass. So division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So division first. So 1 over 3 divided by 7 by 6. So it's a crossfire, or you can flip as well. So 1 by 3 multiplied by 6 by 7. So 6 ones are 6, 3 sevens are 21. I can simplify the question. So this fraction is 2 by 7. Now I can use 2 by 7, 2 by 7 plus 1 over 5. So comparing the denominators, so you can easily use butterfly here. 7 fives are 35, plus now cross multiplication, 5 twos are 10, and 1 sevens are 7. So the answer is 17 by 35. And this is as simplest form because 17 is a prime number. 17 by 35. जी बेटा सबको समझ आया?
जी सर.
Anyone having any question? अच्छा,
No sir.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 24 वेरी सिंपल. ठीक है, बहुत सिंपल सवाल है, खुद करिएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 25, ये अपर बाउंड लोअर बाउंड का क्वेश्चन है, छोड़ दिया मैंने क्योंकि बाकी मैंने बहुत सारे कर दिए हैं, तो ये आप लोग खुद ट्राई कीजिएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 26
Sir.
स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म है, तो 0.006000654 in standard form. Arsalan, this number is less than 1, so the power of 10 would be minus. So 1, 2, 3 jumps. So you took 3 jumps, so it would be 6.54. So it would be 6.54 multiplied with 10 power minus 3. The number 1.467 multiplied by 1 or 2 is written in the ordinary form. Write down the number of zeros that follow the digit 7. Beta, we know that 1.467 after 1 or 2 jumps towards right. So Abdullah, 1, 2, 3 jumps मैंने ले दिए. इसका मतलब है इसके बाद 1 और 2 में से अगर 3 माइनस करो तो क्या 99 zeros आएंगे? जी बेटा लालूना, 99 zeros will come or not?
जी.
Because we have to take 1 or 2 jumps towards right. 3 jumps was non numbers greater than 1, which is 4, 6, and 7. After 7, you have to take 99 jumps, and that 99 jumps will be zeros. Agree?
Yes sir.
Examiner is saying write down the number of zeros that will follow the digit 7. There will be 99 zeros. Agree, Muid?
Yes, sir.
Okay, use this information to write this thing. So examiner is saying that 234, the postmortem of 234 mean prime factorization. 1873, 1872 is this one. They said that if you multiply this thing, you will get this thing. So beta, use this information to write this as a product of its prime factors. So Umar 438048, it is equals to 234 multiply with 1872. So Ramin, instead of 234, can I write this thing?
जी sir.
So 2 multiply with 3 square and 13. And mera beta, listen to me very carefully. Instead of 1872, can I write this thing? So that would be 2 power 4, 3 square and 13. So we have to give our answer in the product of its prime factors. So there is 1, 2 here and 2, 4 twos there. So it would be 2 power 5. 3 square and 3 square would be 3 power 4. 13 into 13 would be 13 square. And that is what your final answer is. तो राइट आंसर ऑन आंसर लाइन अबव द लाइन. तो मैं बार बार ये बोल रहा हूँ, तो प्लीज इसको याद रखें पेपर में भी. अच्छा, ओके. So Beatrice walks 1 kilometer at a speed of 4 kilometer per hour and then 2 kilometer at a speed of 4.5 kilometer hour. Work out the Beatrice's average speed for the whole journey. So beta, first of all, the journey is in two pieces. So Beatrice walk 1 kilometer at a speed of 4 kilometer per hour and then 2 kilometer at a speed of 4.5 kilometer per hour. So beta, average speed would be, average speed is equals to what? Total distance divided by total time taken. Agree everybody? Now we have to give the answer kilometer per hour. Okay, understood? So there are two pieces. Scene 1, and this is, it's not scenes, it's scene 1, and La Luna, it's scene 2. So in scene 1, speed is equals to distance divided by time. He traveled 1 kilometer at a speed of 4. So speed of 4 and 1 kilometer. So time, it is equals to 1 over 4, which is 1 over 4 hours. Agree? So 1 over 4 hour is 0.25 hour. Agree, everybody? Okay. So in scene 2, he then traveled 2 kilometers at a speed of 4.5. So speed is equals to distance divided by time. So speed is 2 and the distance is, oh, sorry, distance is 2. Speed is 4.5. Distance is 2 kilometers and time is unknown. So t is equals to 2 divided by 4.5. So 2 divided by 4.5 is how much? Let's do that. बेटा बताएं 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 4.5 क्या आता था, जल्दी से बता दो.
सर 0.444 ही करेंगे.
क्या आ रहा है बेटा आंसर आपके पास
Zero-
कैलकुलेटर में मौजूद है ना.
जी
व्हाट इज इन
0.44
फ्रैक्शन, व्हाट इज इन फ्रैक्शन? 4/9. Ramin.
Yes, sir. 4/9.
Okay, time is 4/9 hours. Agree? So beta, average speed would be total distance he traveled 1 plus 2 3 kilometers. Agree, Ramin? And the time was 0.25 hours plus 4/9 hours. Agree or not? Agree? So instead of 0.25, you can write 1/4 as well. ठीक है Ramin? So
जी
tell me
सर.
what is the speed in the calculator बेटा. फ्रैक्शन का बटन दबाइएगा. अच्छा, इसको कैलकुलेटर में लिखने का तरीका जो है बहुत सिंपल है, तो ये याद रखें कैलकुलेटर में कैसे लिखते हैं. फ्रैक्शन बटन 3 divided by 0.25, now plus and then again fraction. So it is 4/9. So Arwa, can you see that? So this is 108 by 25 and SND is 4.32 kilometer per hour is the average speed for the whole journey. Understood everybody?
Yes, sir.
बेटा समझ आइए सबको कि नहीं? बड़े खूबसूरत तरीके से समझाया. अभी भी समझना है तो बस अल्लाह ही हाफिज है. चलें जी, देखें आहिस्ता आहिस्ता हम सेट्स पे आ गए हैं और बस ये तकरीबन हमारा नंबर्स का टॉपिक खत्म हो जाएगा. ओके,
सर क्लास खत्म हो गई.
कोई मसला नहीं है बेटा, जिसने जाना है चला जाए. बस अभी मैं वर्कशीट तो खत्म करूंगा. Integers greater than 2, integers greater than 2. So integer greater than 2 can be 3, 4, 5, 6 up to so on. Prime numbers can be greater than 2 is 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 up to so on. Odd numbers can be 3, 5, 7, 9 up to so on. Square numbers greater than 2 is, जी बेटा.
सर ये प्राइम नंबर्स में पहले 2 लिखेंगे.
मेरा बेटा यहाँ पे इंटीजर्स ग्रेटर देन 2 है यूनिवर्सल में, ऊपर पहले सेट में देख रही हैं आप.
यस सर. यस.
तो यूनिवर्सल के जो एलिमेंट होते हैं वो उसके अंदर ही बाकी सेट्स आते हैं. ठीक है,
ओके सर.
यूनिवर्सल सेट इज द बॉस सेट, ये याद रखें. अच्छा, यूनिवर्सल सेट, दिस इज यूनिवर्सल एंड दिस इज बॉस सेट, ये बॉस होता है.
ओके.
Square numbers would be greater than 2. Square number is 4, 9, 16, 25 and up to so on. Describe the type of numbers in the set B complement intersection C. So B complement intersection C. B complement means B out, means B is odd numbers, means odd numbers are out. Odd numbers are out. Understood? Agree? When odd numbers are out, agree? So you are left with what? Even numbers. Agree? Agree? So you are left with even numbers. Even numbers are Arom greater than 2. Agree?
Yes sir.
Okay. Intersection C. Intersection C. So intersection C would be square numbers, even square numbers. Agree? So you will be left with even square numbers. Even square numbers because odd numbers are out. Agree? Ramin?
जी सर.
Complete the set labels on the diagram. Okay. So first of all, we need to complete this thing. So odd numbers, they are also prime numbers. Agree? Odd numbers, they are also prime numbers. Agree? So odd numbers will be set B and it will be inside A, which is prime numbers, and C is the square number, so that is a square number. Why B is inside A, everybody? B is inside A because B is odd numbers, agree, and they can be prime numbers, agree or not. And this region is those odd numbers which are not prime. Okay, everybody understood? Now, this is amazing part. It says that D complement, everybody. First of all, I'm doing D complement. I'm using this green color dot, green colored dot for D out. So D complement means D out, arrow. So if I make D out, so it would be this place, this place, this place, this place. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, E intersection F out. Now we know this that E intersection F, E intersection F is this place. So this is out. This is what? Out. So I'm using a different color here. क्या नाम है, Ramin? E intersection F is this place, and this is out now because it is complement here. It says that E intersection F whole complement. It means that E intersection F out. So I'm using this blue dot for that. So E intersection F out is this place, this place, this place, this place, this place, this place. Agree, Ramin?
जी sir.
Okay. Now the examiner is saying union. What? What beta?
Union.
Union का क्या मतलब है बेटा? You have to write all but write common ones. Write common ones. Agree? Agree.
Yes, sir.
So which area I should shade? कौन सा एरिया शेड करूं? लेट मी रिपीट दैट. अगर किसी को समझ नहीं आई तो देखें दोबारा मैं रिपीट करता हूं. लालूना,
जी सर.
it says D out, okay? It says
जी. D
D
out.
out. So D out is which region? D out is what? D out would be the region outside D. Agree?
जी सर.
Is this clear मेरा बेटा?
Yes.
सर मैं बता सकता हूँ.
जी बोले बेटा.
सर वो ई और एफ का जो इंटरसेक्शन है वो सिर्फ शेड करना है.
Let's see क्या आप ठीक कह रहे हैं कि गलत कह रहे हैं.
वो नहीं, मैं गलत कह रहा हूँ, सॉरी, ये मैंने
अभी
सही नहीं किया.
अभी डर गए हो यार. डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. गलत बोलो कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन बोलना सही है. डी आउट हो गया जी. एनी प्रॉब्लम? एनी प्रॉब्लम?
नो सर.
Okay, E intersection F out. Okay, so E intersection F out. So E intersection F out, and it is unite. Okay, you have to unite with that. So E intersection F is which area? E intersection F is this, 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 this area. Agree or not? Yes or no?
नो
Yes
सर, ई
or no?
इंटरसेक्शन एफ तो सिर्फ वो दरमियाना जो एरिया है वो है.
बेटा उन्होंने यूनाइट करने को बोला है. क्या करने को बोला है?
अच्छा, यूनाइट.
उन्होंने
ठीक.
यूनाइट करने को बोला है. एग्री और नॉट?
मगर उस पर कॉम्प्लीमेंट है ना.
बेटा यूनाइट करने को बोला है. दरमियान में यूनाइट लगा है. क्या लगा है?
यूनाइट.
दरमियान में यूनाइट लगा है. यूनाइट का मतलब है बायर मस्ट शेड होगा. एग्री?
अच्छा.
यूनाइट का
ठीक.
मतलब है बायर दिस शेड इज मैंडेटरी. दिस शेड इज मैंडेटरी. व्हाई आर ओम? because of u symbol. Okay, okay. So arom, it says that E intersection F out. So E intersection F, my bacha, this was the place E intersection F when it was out. So we were left with this red, these red ticks. Agree or not? Agree or not?
Yes,
So
sir.
now you need to understand. Now you need to understand that the examiner is saying unite. Okay. So whenever I unite, I will shade Sime. I will shade this area. I will shade this area. I will shade this area and this area. Understood or not, Sime?
जी सर.
Okay. मजा आया है?
नहीं सर।
सर ये बीच वाला एरिया क्यों शेड नहीं किया?
ये बेटा इसलिए शेड नहीं किया, जो हम बात कर रहे थे इतनी देर में। अगर फॉर एग्जांपल आप में से किसी को ये समझ नहीं आता तो मैं एक तरीका सिखा देता हूँ, मैंने वो ऑलरेडी पहले भी सिखाया हुआ है। तो ये वो तरीका क्या है? वो तरीका ये है कि आप लिखो यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8। तो वदान डी कॉम्प्लीमेंट का मतलब है डी आउट। तो यूनिवर्सल में से आप डी आउट करो तो 1 to 8 में से आप डी निकाल दो। तो 1 2 4 5 इज आउट, सो 3 6 7 8 इज लेफ्ट। ठीक है रामीन, E intersection F is 5 6, agree or not? 5 and 6 is common between E and F. So now the examiner is saying E intersection F out. E intersection F out. So it would be 5 and 6 will be gone. So you would be left with 1 2 3 4 7 and 8. So you have to write D complement intersection bracket E intersection F whole complement. So D complement was 3 6 3 6 7 8. It would be D
सर
complement was
यूनियन है डी कॉम्प्लीमेंट नहीं।
अच्छा हाँ,
आपने
ये यूनियन है, मैंने गलती से ये लिख दिया है। थैंक यू। It would be it would be D complement unite with. So D complement is what? 3 6 7 8 unite with 1 2 3 4 7 8. So please 3 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 कौन सा रह गया बेटा? 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 3 6 7 8 सब हो गए, यस और नो?
जी
तो
सर।
5 एक्सेप्ट 5 आपने सबको शेड करना है। तो देखिए हमने 5 को शेड नहीं किया था ना, याद है
जी जी सर।
बेटा? 5 के अलावा आपने सबको शेड करना है। देखो यू गॉट दिस एज एन आंसर। सो
जी
आई
सर।
होप इट्स क्लियर।
जी सर।
तो मैं
सर
ये
अभी समझ आ गई।
जी समझ आइए मेरा बेटा कि नहीं?
जी जी समझ आ
बिल्कुल।
गई।
ठीक है तो
बहुत सर बहुत।
ये मैं इसको आराम से शेड कर देता हूँ और 5 की शेडिंग हम मिटा देंगे। ठीक है मोहित?
ओके सर।
तो ये 5 की शेडिंग हम मिटा देते हैं। लेट मी इरेज द शेडिंग ऑफ 5 लाइक दैट। ठीक है, और पेपर में इसको कैसे शेड करते हैं ये भी क्वेश्चन हो सकता है। ठीक है, तो पेपर में आप इसको ऐसे ऐसे शेड करोगे। ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड? यस और नो?
यस सर।
डू नॉट शेड द सेंटर पॉइंट, लाइंस लगानी होती है वहां पे। ठीक है,
यस
ठीक
सर।
अंडरस्टूड?
हो गया सर। जी सर।
ओके जी, क्वेश्चन 30। बाकी क्वेश्चन आप लोग खुद कर लेंगे, 30 करा देता हूँ कि नहीं? खुद करते हैं?
ये खुद कर लेंगे सर बस।
जी खुद कर लेंगे।
करेंगे
खुद
सर
कर
अभी
लेंगे
कर।
सर।
थक गए हो
मैं
क्या?
मुझे आता है सर, कर लूंगा सर।
थक गए हो क्या?
जी सर।
नहीं नहीं सर।